Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to test out a new foundation. It is by the brand Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Cloud Coverage Foundation. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, this is by the brand Tarte. It is the Shape Tape Cloud Coverage Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Sunscreen Foundation. I'm just on Ulta's website, which is where I bought it. Retails for $39. It is, how many shades? On Ulta it just says 21, but like the very first shade on Ulta starts at 12. So I wonder if there is more shades. It's just Ulta only has 21 of them. Anyways, it says that it is supposed to be a light as air formula with a medium buildable coverage. So the benefits is the coverage. And then it says it's supposed to be a bouncy cloud-like texture, feels comfortable or comfy and weightless, natural matte finish and feels like skin. Tape technology smooths and blurs imperfections. Okay. Delivers a soft focus effect for a dreamy look. Cloud 9 complex drenches skin in 24-hour hydration. Crease-proof formula minimizes look of pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. And then there's just a lot of other stuff like transfer-proof, 24-hour makeup, 24-hour hydration, 24-hour crease-proof. Dermatologist tested. There's sunscreen in here. So the ingredients are supposed to help hydrate, reduce inflammation, brighten, color correct, brighten look of dark spots, help soothe, moisturize, etc., etc., etc. So I got mine in the shade 12N Fair Neutral, which is the lightest on Ulta's website. Again, because it starts with a 12 makes me think there is more shades lighter. I clearly already have my makeup done, so I have already put this product on, but I do want to show me applying it, so I will insert that here. But as you can see, the texture is very thick, but I understand what they mean is cloud because it's very like bouncy. I don't know how to explain it. What they said, it kind of makes sense. It's cloud, but it's bouncy and like kind of looks thick, but it's not actually thick. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It does not have the greatest of coverage. You can build it up, but I don't think you can build it up too much. Like, I have the spots on my lower cheek that I personally have a lot of redness that comes up, and so I put it over there twice. Otherwise I left the rest of my face to just once. I do think it builds it up, but I don't think it builds it up to full coverage. So I definitely do think it can be the medium claim. I do think you can also get this as light if you want a light foundation and not full coverage or even medium coverage. If you just put a small amount, this does still give you decent coverage, but you can build it up to medium. I don't think you can build it up to full coverage. So this is what it looks like after my makeup is all said and done. Like I said, you can still see like my redness from some zits here and some here. This is the area that I did double cover it, so it is pretty covered. You can still see some coming through. So again, I would say that that's more the medium coverage. But otherwise, like this side, I really didn't do much here, and so you can still see like my spots. So I definitely say it is more light to buildable of medium coverage. I don't think you can build it past the medium. And then I do have a lot of zits here, and I think it actually, wow, where'd my light go? I have some zits here, and I do think it covered them pretty nicely. Like obviously, it's not gonna cover them a lot, but where it says the like pore minimizing and fine line minimizing and blurring and things like that, here blurs imperfections and smooths, I definitely do agree with that so far. So it is now 8:30 in the morning. I am working until 8 at night, so we're gonna really, okay, my camera or my card got full, so I don't know where I stopped. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and test this out. It's gonna be an extremely long day since it's already 8:30 and I don't get off until 8, so we're gonna see what 12 hours holds up on this foundation, as well as me touching my face because I can't stop doing that. So we're gonna see how it looks. It says it's supposed to have the 24 hours, it's supposed to be crease proof, transfer proof, yada yada yada. So we will see. Obviously I'm not gonna do a 24-hour test, like that's weird, no. But we're for sure doing 12 hours. So I have worn this for the last couple of days, so I do already have my opinion on it, but I obviously want to still show you the end of the day. So I will be back at the end of the day. And if my dumbass forgets to do it because I won't be home until 8:30, and knowing me, I'll forget, I'll just do it on a weekend and show you the end, so I might look different. All right, we'll see you at the end of the night. Sorry, the background is so dark. I was just about to take my makeup off and I remembered I was gonna film this for you. Whew, thank God I remembered. But because of that, also my lighting is all wonky and I don't want to set it up. So this is what you get. Great, thanks. It is now 9:30 at night, so I have worn this for over 12 hours. This looks fucking amazing. Obviously, the zits are very pronounced. Also, these zits started off very small and under my skin, and they're about to come out. That's way too much TMI. I get it. Anyways, so because of that, they're on this top of my skin to where it hurts. So all day I've been going like this because of it's hurting. So I have wiped that off. But other than that, this is looking bomb. Like, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see. Like, what is this line? There's like a random dark cast on my face. This is not the greatest, but also that is concealer. But everywhere else, my foundation literally looks the same as this morning. Maybe these spots are popping up just a little bit more. Again, this is everywhere that I touched constantly. Otherwise, this looks bomb. Like, it's still on my face and looks almost as good as this morning. Over 12 hours later. I mean, ignore this. Everything else looks great. I couldn't stop. Even now, I'm like, oh. It's to the point where it hurts so much I can't stop touching it, which I know is bad, but it's like, you know, when you have that pain that it almost feels better to touch. Anyways, I love this foundation. I definitely recommend picking this up. If you have dry skin like me, this is awesome. I love this. I'm so surprised because I'm normally not the biggest fan of Tarte foundations or concealers, but this is amazing. I love it and definitely recommend it. Anyways, if you guys have any foundations, there's a fuzzy. Oh no, my lighting. This is a hot mess. I need to go to bed. I was gonna say, if you have any recommendations of or ideas of foundations or anything else that you want me to try, let me know down below. Otherwise, I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you guys in the next video.